Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Bome USDT trading pair with my customer PlayersAre. Let's dive in. All right, guys, you remember this idea. So it's not initiation accumulation pump model. I just mark the range because there is no initiation accumulation pump model. So here's a daily candle on max. So in that idea, we use just a global zone. Global range, so 1 and 2. So the listing price on the max was in March 2024 0.201151, this one, and the highest point was around number 3 cents. Got it. So we mark the zones. So 78 level by FIB, just basic one, and 86. It was like a first support zone. Now we lost that support. And this is a great example. I remind you, it's not an initiation accumulation pump model. It's a totally different one. So it's just a range model. And in this case, if it's a range, we can form the deviation. So when we trade in a range, and if it's a range, because now at this current moment, guys, we can't know. We can't know the plans of the market makers. We can't know how they program their soft, right, for some specific tokens, right? We can't know who the market maker of this token on major exchanges, right? So this is just a great example. This is what I always repeat. After 100% profit, it's always the good time to withdraw initial deposit. No matter what token it is, it can be the BTC, it can be the Ethereum, the Bome, the Trump, or the Matic, or absolutely, it doesn't matter, right? So, because we can't know the future. Now we can see this market, this cycle is totally different because we got a lot of 35 million tokens. There is not enough liquidity, and it's kind of bad because this cycle is so hard. It's like a hard mode. Why? Because the market makers, the exchanges, just list the tokens and dump it, just distribute step by step their bags, right? And it's kind of weird because the FDV and the market capitalization of that tokens after listing already craziness, like craziness. So I will explain to you. If you just new on this market, in zone 21, zone 20, the tokens which pumped to 1 billion market capitalization, it was almost the top end of cycle for that tokens. Now the token just exists and list on the exchange with 1 billion market capitalization and 7 billion FDV. It's just crazy. It's crazy. And they can distribute their tokens, especially with the memes. The same story, but with different wallets of the team, of the insiders, of the whales. You know, of course, it's like a fair game, right? But it's only our decision when to buy, when to sell. But that zone was a good time to buy. You can take a look how the price respect the level bounced at 130%. It was not a mistake to fix or at least withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens. Reaction at 61. So the bad case scenario, guys, the good one, if we hold the line around here and bounce. The worst case scenario, if we drop from this current prices, imagine 64 cents. So unfortunately, guys, it's possible. And the targets, I don't think so. This was the end of a cycle for Bome. So this one, I don't think so. But of course, guys, I can be wrong. Maybe just a hope, right? I will also show you what's going on with Bome, with indicator SAT on the weekly time frame, on a daily. But if it was at the end of cycle, at least we can sweep that listing price, form deviation, and bounce. Bounce to this top, not hit new all-time high, for example, some correction to 1.5. 1 cent 55, for example, and going down. If it was a top and we are just joining the bear market again, it's just one theory. I don't think so. We join in the bear market. I think spring will be green for alts. I think Sol will go to new all-time high, another one all-time high, and will stop around 500. And I think the meme tokens and the altcoins also will follow the Sol and Ethereum. So at least we can see some rally on alts. So, but of course, guys, it's my take. To buy now or not a Bome, it's like usual, guys, it's up to you. I skipped this token. The last 3 tokens what I purchased, it was alt layer, chill guy, now I'm in losses, and dimension. So this is the last 3 tokens what I bought just a few days ago. I've been in profit, and now I'm in losses. So I'm not fixed the profit because it's just investment. So potentially, yes, we can dump 64% more for Bome to form deviation if it's a range. Next step, it will be 0.5 low by FIB. This one, equilibrium, bounce, test, and going to form deviation at the top over than 3 cents. It can be, I don't know, 3 cents 51 and 3 cents 77. So this zone, it's like for fixation of profit. In percentage, for example, if we sweep that low, it can be like this one. So imagine if from this current prices, if it's a range, and we will go and drop, for example, to 0.201, to the deviation at the top and hit 27 block, it can be 3,500% gains on the spot on meme token. If my theory is correct, right? And at this area, you can fix, of course, at equilibrium if we will bounce. And at this area, we can fix, I don't know, 80% or 90% of position. If you believe in 5 cents to 10 cents and all of that numbers, of course, you can wait. But just to be honest, I don't like the situation and the price action and what the exchanges do with the tokens. I don't like the situation with airdrops systems, right? So even the ICO was the more fair than airdrop. So everything explained it in the post today. So for meme token like a Bome would be good, of course, hold the line here and bounce from now. Also, we can maybe stop at this area. So this can be like support. Let's add the horizontal line. At this current moment, guys, nobody know what's going on now with the alts, and with the memes. So maybe it's gonna be the stop, like a full fill. Got it. Let's go back to weekly time frame. Full fill, I mean daily one. And looks ugly, absolutely looks ugly, and looks like we're going to form deviation. Take a look at EZ direction market mood. This was accumulation, and yes, mostly we already formed the warranty on a weekly, imagine. But yes, we can drop lower. Still some like apria on market mood indicator. So unfortunately, guys, so bad situation now with the memes and the alts. Money power, at least they start accumulate. So this week, yes, they accumulated this week. So it would be good to see the sweep of this low and bounce. So this is gonna be good. On daily time frame, here was a time to out and the bearish RSI awareness. I'm not track the Bome, but you remember this zone. 130% at least we could fix. It was a bearish one, bearish MACD, money outflow, drop. And now it's the step by step, take a look, the same situation, but opposite. Money outflow, RSI bearish, MACD bearish, dump. Bullish, money inflow, RSI bullish, MACD bullish. I would like to see one more money inflow and maybe the swing trade, just a swing trade, not investment, swing trade with a stop loss. Trade on here, daily it was sell, not at the top. Here's a buyback, buy. So step by step, I guess the whales accumulate. So this was a good time to buy and fix 100% profit. Now no signal to buy. So let's add alert to buy on weekly. Maybe we'll see this one. And the last indicator is take profit. Take profit on the weekly. We don't have enough data for analysis. Daily one. Take a look. It's kind of bad because we trade under fundamental value. So we never trade under fundamental value of this token. So technically it's the first time on a daily time frame, and usually it's good time. It's good time to buy. So it's not time to sell. Can we drop lower? Yes, we can, guys, like usual. If you want to accumulate now, you can use DCA strategy even till this drop. So in average, let's say you will see this price, and you can fix at take profit line 457. From this current prices, it can be 241. But now it's hard to say what will happen first, drop or bounce. Fundamental value on the 12 time frame, it's 0.2026, this one. Take profit line, it's 0.2071. So, like conclusion, I still wait at least 1 cent 55. In a good condition, it's 3 cents or around 4 cents, this one. And after that, we will see. So, but now all markets going down. So just be ready, accumulate. The best case scenario, guys, for me, of course, for speculation, it's a sweep of listing price on the max and bounce, at least to 0.5 level fee. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about Bome. If you would like to trade use my customer care site, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.